When a Citation XLS Plus enters the disassembly hangar here at BAS Part Sales, people take notice. Not for what this airplane has done, but for what the parts coming off of this aircraft are going to do. This Cessna 560XL Citation XLS is now in the BAS Turbine hangar for disassembly, and it brings a very strong lineup of high-demand fleet support components back into circulation quickly. We've got the Pratt Whitney PW545C engines listed on our website for sale with lots and lots of details, including maintenance records, bore scope reports, and all the numbers you need to know what kind of engine you're looking at. We're also going to get a long list of engine support components, the Honeywell RE100 APU hardware. This XLS Plus has Collins ProLine 21 Avionics. We'll get all of the landing gear assemblies and all of those parts and components, the hydraulic system, the environmental controls, flight controls, cabin equipment, lighting, and the Citation-specific hardware that operators and maintenance shops are always looking for. These parts and components will be available on our website very soon, or you can call now and our sales reps can get them on the way to you today. The XLS Plus earned its reputation by doing exactly what operators needed it to do. Real trips, real schedules, and reliable performance without unnecessary drama. For this XLS Plus, the mission has changed. Now, this aircraft's flying days are over, but the parts we're recovering from it have a lot of life left to live. BAS Part Sales is the world leader in taking an aircraft just like this, turning it back into parts and helping you stay in the air. If we can help you get your Citation back in the air, call us or shop online at baspartsales.com.